Okay, so this is the Nexdock Touch 2. It arrived today. I did start opening it, but I've decided to do a quick unboxing of it. So this was ordered originally back in March. It's a bit hard to do this one-handed, so apologies. Hold on. Ignore the black screen, I'm still here. Okay, so here is the actual device itself. This is the UK version. So I've got proper keyboard. Inside of the box, we also have, I'm guessing these are cables of some sort. So let's have a look, see what's in here. Yeah, so we have USB-C to USB-C, and it looks like it's a nice braided cable. We have USB-C to USB, and what's that? Mini USB. So USB-A, mini USB to USB-C. Might be for Raspberry Pi. This is USB-C. I can find one end which is USB-C. Two USB-Cs. So it's a longer cable. Handy. And this one is then HDMI to HDMI. Also handy. Okay, so the actual device itself. So it's got a quick start guide for the Raspberry Pi, and that's exactly what I had said. So USB-C to so connect the HDMI to the Nexdock, the other end to the micro HDMI adapter. Okay. HDMI into the end of one end of the micro USB, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Okay. And then so quick start guide for Raspberry Pi. So for a smartphone, or normal Raspberry Pi, another normal Raspberry, that's a Raspberry Pi 4. That's the one. Common questions, some other documentation, blah blah blah. Keyboard cover for the Nexdock. Interesting. Okay. I don't know what that means. Does that mean that the Nexdock doesn't actually have a keyboard cover on it as standard? Ooh. Okay. Sorry, I'm not being very useful when it comes to displaying this. Oh, nice metal. Feels nice and premium. There are USB. No, there are T5, T something or other ports on the back. I don't know what that's going to mean, whether any of it is modifiable. So we have 3 USB-C ports and a HDMI. One of them is for a phone. That's on one side, and on the bottom, nothing, or the front even. The other side, there's another USB-C. Is that USB-C? I don't actually know what that is. That doesn't look like USB-C. That is not USB-C connection. A full HD or a full USB 3 port, and then nothing on the back. Now let's see, one-handed, not completely. Okay, so there's a camera in here. It's got a cover. It's protective film. So it has a proper keyboard. let's see how proper it is. Okay, so dollar. Okay, so that's why I got the different type pad cover, because I'm assuming in the type pad cover we may have euro key and pound keys. It's a nice trackpad, the Nexdock power. So that's interesting. Oh no, that isn't a camera. Okay, so I thought that was a camera. It is not a camera, it's a display, or it's a logo. Okay, so ignore my previous thing about a camera. You got your power indicator, whatever other indicators are there on this. Take off the display cover. Okay, so there we go. There's the first unboxing. I am going to hook this up to a Raspberry Pi, do a bit more video, and see where we go from there. Okay, nice.